Having a unified way of looking at our backlog, of explaining our goals to different teams and stakeholders is been the biggest advantage of using airfocus in Defined.ai. My name is Neha. I work at Defined.ai as a product manager of API and integrations. Defined.ai provides quality data for AI and ML solutions across industries and crowdsourcing all the data from our crowdsourcing platform. What airfocus enabled for us at Defined.ai was to be able to actually do an entire end-to-end visualization of the roadmap across different teams and across different departments. So we have one way to share it with our stakeholders, customer success or sales, or even clients. We're all on the same page between the developers and the designers as well as product managers to ensure that we have a good visualization about what we're achieving to do within the quarter or within the entire year planning. There are different views that we are using today to help us visualize it in a way that makes sense for our ultimate stakeholders. The number one biggest benefit of working with airfocus is the ease of use and the pain point that it actually solves for us, which is again the roadmap visualization and to be able to prioritize our backlog in an effective manner. We've been able to do a prioritization module which spreads across all departments. The prioritization framework is a really good app where we are able to actually incorporate some of the frameworks that is offered by the industry and also modify it according to what makes sense for our organization. Because we have both B2B as well as B2C side of the business, in order to have one prioritization module, we need to cater to both sides of the offering. So it helps us provide this flexibility while also keeping a standard framework in mind and being able to apply this prioritization framework across different departments and units. In airfocus, we're able to provide a priority and have a good prioritization to ensure that we're working on the right things that make sense for the business and map them towards our OKRs. So that has helped us to see things in a single lens and not have our own way of prioritizing things across different departments. So having a unified way of looking at our backlog, of explaining our goals to different teams and stakeholders is been the biggest advantage of using airfocus in Defined.ai. They also provide a very good custom field option where you can modify anything according to your own organization. The flexibility offered by the tool is enormous and it helps us to make things more transparent and visible to across stakeholders. Best part I liked about was how easy it was to integrate with Azure DevOps. It provides good training. It's easy for internal teams to adopt or even reach out to the customer success team if there are any questions. Felt like it was made for product managers by product managers because the pain points were so well understood when creating this tool. Partnering with airfocus was definitely the right decision for our team. This really focuses on product managers to help them visualize, to help them plan better, and has the flexibility that it can fit different organizations in the way that they need it.